Dodge has introduced the quickest, fastest, most powerful muscle car in the world, the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. Unveiled at the Dodge Last Call powered by Roadkill Night's Vegas Performance Festival, the Demon 170 boasts a powerful production HEMI engine, with 1,025 horsepower at 6,500 RPM, 945 pound-feet at 4,200 RPM, and it can reach 60 miles per hour in a blazing 1.66 seconds, featuring the highest G-force acceleration of any production car at 2.004 Gs. The Demon 170 can also reach 900 horsepower and 810 pound-feet of torque on E10 fuel. Enthusiasts can view available dealer allocations for the new Challenger SRT Demon 170 via the Dodge Horsepower Locator tool at dodgegarage.com, with orders beginning March 27th.